Now we will add the numbers from this side. I will say one number and from this side I will say one number. Both number will come here and we will add the numbers. You all have to give the answer. Okay?
Yes,
Now
yes, yes.
number 8 come. Stand up on number 8 and number 45. So number 45, number 8. If we add both this number, what is the answer? Who will say the answer? Say Fatima. 53 is right answer?
Yes.
53 is the right answer? Yes. So clap for Fatima. Very good. Sit down. Now number 4 and number 21 come. If we add number 21 and 4, what is the answer? Who will say? Stand up, beta. What is your name? What is your name? Fatima. What is your answer? 20. 25 is the right answer?
Yes.
Clap for Fatima. Very good. Sit down. Now stand up. Number 36 and number 29. देखो, number 36 and number 29. If we add our number, what is your answer? Say the answer. Who will say? What is your name? Mohammed. What is the answer? 55. 55 is the right answer? Yes or no? Yes or no? What is the right answer? 55 is the right answer? Yes or no? No. So what is the right answer? Who will say? Say. What is the right answer?
65.
Very good. Clap for Aisha. 65. If we add 36 and 29, what is your answer?
65.
65. Okay. Now stand up 16 and 4. No. 16 and 23. Look here. 16 and if we add 16 and 23, what is your answer?
39.
39 is the right answer?
Yes.
23 plus 16, 39. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So clap for Barira.